Hello guys, today we're gonna be drawing a Santa hat. Okay. So, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start off with the base of the hat first. Draw an arc going this way. No, like a little bit like that, yeah. Draw the arc that goes like this. Then edit it to be kind of like this. Then you have to make an arc to go like that. Do not worry about the pom-pom, we're gonna get to that soon. Okay, you gotta edit it a little like that. And you will have to erase the top like this. And let's get to the bottom now. Just a little bit of this. And then start just making little curly, whirly lines to represent the thing at the bottom of the Santa hat. Then you have to do the same thing with the pom-pom, but in a circle motion. Then you have to color them in white if you're gonna change the background, which I'm gonna do. And then you also grab a darkish red and color in the inside. You can also add a few snowflakes in the background if you want. Like, just grab some white paint and just... I know you guys can't see them, but you will. Okay, now you have to change the background color into maybe like a Christmas-ish red. Yeah. And there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.